Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to update Wi-Fi drivers for your Windows 11 in a very simple way. So first, you just need to convert into your search option, and from here you just need to search for view network connections. You can see here is our view network connection. If you click on that, then your network connection windows will be pops up. And now what you need to do, you just need to select this Wi-Fi, click on the right mouse button and then go for property. After that, there will be a Wi-Fi properties windows will be open. And now what you need to do, you just need to click on the configure and you will get Intel dual band wireless AC8260 properties, and then you just need to go for the driver section, and from here you will get an option called update drivers. If you click on that, you can do it simply as well. And if you click on the search automatically for drivers, if you click on that, you can see searching pre-installed drivers, and now it's searching for drivers, and you can see they are saying the best drivers for your device are already installed. So now you can close it, and this is how you can update Wi-Fi drivers into your Windows 11 or 10. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.